Okay, Friday the 13th, March 2026, 10 till 12. We got a very late start. High 40s going to low 60s down to mid 30s tonight. I do not know where we're going to be tonight, where we're going to stay, whether we'll end up back at Frank's or whether we'll be, who knows. Our intention is to go to Westminster, South Carolina, and then take US 76 west across all the way from South Carolina all the way over to Chattanooga through tomorrow and Sunday. Be at my daughter's place Sunday night. Now whether that happens or not, I have no idea. Anybody that's ridden along with me very much knows that it may happen, it may not happen. So just ride along and find out. Please like, share, and subscribe. There are over 3,900, closer to 4,000 videos on the site now. All sorts of videos, all sorts of playlists. We're making a playlist of Friday 13th. Let me turn this around. We're making a playlist of Friday the 13th. We're headed up I-85 right now. South Carolina state line is 33 miles ahead. Like I said, we're planning on going to Westminster and then cutting across. Probably stopping at the Tugaloo River. There's some really nice overview right there, I think. So we'll check that out, I believe. Tonight, I'm not sure how far across we'll get. We may get to Clayton. I don't know if we could stay at Tallulah Falls State Park or Moccasin Creek State Park if they have an opening. If they don't have an opening, there are not many places to stay. When you get off the expressway, there aren't near as many places to stay. I guess we could stay at Walmart's or Cracker Barrels. We could do that maybe. We'll see. But we usually stay fairly close to the interstates. We're usually within 30, 40 miles of a truck stop where we can stay. If we know the areas, the national forest or wildlife management areas, places, we can stay there. But when you're on the road, not familiar with the areas, it's hard to figure out exactly where to stay. So we're using a variety of cameras today. This is the S20. We've already used the S22 Ultra, the S22. Both of those are uploaded. This will be the third video today, Friday the 13th. Trying to, and the S22 and the Google Pixel are both charging. We'll be charging the S22 and this S20. We're using the S20 right now. We'll be using Osmo Action 5. We'll be using the Insta360 X5. Probably going to be using a Nikon B600. I haven't used it in a while, but it's a very good little camera. We'll probably be using it some on this trip. So like I say, ride along, see where we end up, what we end up doing. Videos a little bit shorter right now. We will have our long play videos like normal, anywhere from 15 to 45 minutes. But these this morning have all been, I think, 7.5 minutes and then 5 minutes, something like this. We're just making them shorter so that we can get them uploaded and on the site rather than taking. And this S20, for some reason, maybe it's my settings. I'm using ultra high definition on it and the S22, and they are taking longer to upload, but it makes for better video. So we're getting about 17.9. No, actually, when you divide it out, we're getting about 18.5 miles a gallon, but the computer's saying about 18, 17.8 to 17.9, 18. And this is a 2019 Chevrolet Express 3500 extended van with a 6-liter Vortec engine and Vortec V8 engine and a 6L90E transmission. Google Gemini says I am being an extraordinary driver, getting 18 miles a gallon out of this engine transmission in this van. How long is this one? This one is 5 minutes, 6 minutes. They've got patches every 50 or 60 feet or less along this part of the expressway. It's sort of rough. The Osmo Action 5 takes care of this rough ride pretty good with these phone cameras. Can't handle the vibration here as well. Back from a road trip from South Georgia. We got quite a few videos, so check them out. Really nice day today. Still going to be a little cool tonight, and then get cold again Sunday, Monday night, down in the 20s. Low to mid-30s tonight. We should have enough cover to stay warm even without the heater, but we'll see where we end up. We could end up back at Frank's, we don't know. And like I said, we're a nomad now. We don't have a place, we don't have a home of our own. When we're not on the road, we're staying at Frank's or my daughter's, sometimes my son's. I was staying with Vicky a lot when I was doing work for her. I need to find another remodel job like that where I can stay and help remodel, help do the work there, oversee the remodel. We'll get about another minute on this one and turn it off. This will be a little bit longer, about a 9-minute video. Trying to get it uploading. Get off at a Toccoa exit, or whether we're going to go on up into South Carolina and cut over to Westminster, crossing over the Hudson River. I'm pretty sure it'll join the Broad River, if I'm not mistaken, but I could be mistaken. We'll go ahead and process this one and start it uploading, and go ahead and make the second one we uploaded public. Okay, this is about 9 minutes. Let's go ahead and turn this one off. This should be a wrap. We may add some extraneous stuff onto the back just for entertainment value. We'll see when we get off and get this one processed. Boy, it's smoothed out now, huh? Now that we're going to cut it off.